Hey everyone, and thanks for joining. Let me tell you how my channel can help you. It's a well-known fact that ACT prep is not just a one-hit fix. It's supposed to be continuous practice year-long. For that reason, I'm going to be releasing videos every Tuesday and Thursday for a 1-minute ACT prep. Now, if you join and ring the bell, then your cell phone will give you an alert saying, hey, it's time to practice for that ACT. And these videos are only a minute or less, so 2 minutes out of your week to help you raise your scores. Along with that, I do release other videos deeply covering some of the math content for the ACT. Along with that, I also teach an AP Stats class and a regular Province Stat class that I'll be releasing videos for as well. So please go ahead and click the subscribe button and click like on any of the videos you find helpful so I know what is working best for you. Again, thanks for joining me. My name is MrCaproni, and this is your one-stop math class.